Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami duck face. So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half diagonally both ways. Now rotate your paper so that your square looks like a diamond. Then fold the top half and then fold the top half over to the center here. And then fold the bottom part over to the crease that we just made. Now turn your paper over and then fold the left and right edges to the center crease here. Now fold the top so that it meets about right here in this half diamond that we made. Now fold the left and right edges a little bit towards the center. Now turn your paper over and then now fold and tuck this part of the beak inside this pocket here. And now fold a bit of the beak backward. Now all you have to do is draw a face on your duck and then Now all you have to do is draw some facial features on your duck and then you're done. There you have your own origami duck face. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.